Hi friends, welcome to Prabhu's Tech Work. Today let us learn about USB uh, option. When you connect any USB hardware, if it is not detecting or if it is not functioning properly, we can perform a few basic troubleshootings. All right. First thing, what I would like to show is uh, first just go to my computer and right click on it and click on properties and go to device manager. In the device manager, if you come to USB serial bus controller, just expand it and delete standard enhanced host controller. Just uninstall this and uninstall this as well, host controller. Alright, so once you have uninstalled it, you can uninstall the USB root hub as well. Alright, so once if you have uninstalled all these options, and if you have after the uninstallation, what you need to do is just you need to scan for it, or you need to restart the system. Once you restart the system, what happens, the driver gets automatically installed. Like if you see, I've just scanned it and we are able to see the USB driver getting installed automatically. Alright, the second option, what I would suggest is going to power options. For this, all you need to do is just go to control panel. Alright, in the control panel, go to power options. In the power options, go to change plan settings. The recommended balanced, which means the options, the profile whatever you have created which is selected, you need to select change plan settings and go to change advanced power settings. In this, expand USB settings. Under USB settings you'll find USB selective suspend settings. Just disable this. Alright, once you disable and apply and click OK, and once you restart the system, your USB should start working without any issues. Alright, in case if you have any query, please leave the comment. I'll revert with the best answer. Alright, and please subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you for watching and have a great day.